Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to make a story on Snapchat. So first you have to open your Snapchat app, then in the camera section you have to do swipe up and you can see there are so many options here like snaps, camera roll, stories. So you have to be in camera roll. Select the picture you want from here. I'm choosing this one. Okay, so I can edit this picture from here, but I'm not gonna do that, and just tap on send. So you can see there is an option as my story, so tap on it and tap on my story, send. So add it to story. So now go back and here. Now you can see here is my story has been uploaded. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.